Solid rubber type. Of course, none of them was nice as this. Thank you.
Don't read the PDRA, and then you should go for where it is.
House living garages.
Huh?
These house living garages.
Yeah.
Right. So, if they're all ready, ladies and gentlemen, I think they're all in. Right, we're going to just go down the sheet as they are. Right. And the winner of the Rovers and Land Rovers in first place, Bill Haywood for Bentham in 1938 Rover P2. He's made more noise than that. Thank you. And in second place, Tony York from Pudsey in an A20, 1949. That's not him. Thank you very much indeed, sir. And the second classification is pre-1960s. The winner in that class in a P15, GK from Bury. Stop, Road, you're alright. We've got all day, don't worry about it. It's not raining, so come on. And second in that class in a B1 is Jim Northcott from Burnley in the 1959 MG. And your hips done this time. Third in this class, D. Rogan from Blackburn in 1935 Bentley. Hey, he's eager, isn't he?